Susan Morris here, Norwex Independent Consultant, and it is laundry day here in the Morris household, and it's super simple and easy and quick with our Norwex. This is all you need. It fits easily in the drawer underneath my wash machine. I love it. So we start with the stain remover. If you have ring around the collar or maybe some ground in dirt on your jeans, just spritz some of this stain remover onto your stain and rub it together, throw in the wash machine. Then we come to the Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent. I love this stuff. It works so great, has no fillers, and it takes hardly any, just a little bit will do you. So you just put that in the machine. Gosh. Or you can use the liquid laundry, couple pumps. It's Enzyme Power, works great. But I really love the Microfiber Cleaner Laundry Booster. This is great for deep cleaning your Norwex cloths or as a laundry booster. So if you need some more enzyme power in your laundry, I just put it in the pre-wash area, just a little bit, stick it in there, and that's done. And if you have stinky laundry, my husband's 72 years old, he still plays softball in Florida here, so we have stinky laundry. So the odor eliminator is a great one to use in the laundry. I put it into the softener dispenser, just a cup. I never measure. I just pour some in, and that's done. Shut the drawer, turn it on, works for any temperature. That's what's so great. You don't need all that other stuff. This is all you need, and start your laundry. When your laundry's done, you move into the dryer area. Now the dryer area is super simple too. All you need is the Fluff and Tumble dryer balls. These are wonderful. You do not want to use dryer sheets because they're full of pesticides. You don't want to wear pesticides in your clothes. My dad used dryer sheets in his camper in the wintertime to keep the mice out. Why would you want to wear that? Plus, those dryer sheets will coat your lint trap and cause, everyone calls it dryer fires. You really don't want a dryer fire. So, what I do, I use 6 of these because I have a big dryer. I put 2 in the bottom, put more clothes in, 2 more clothes in, 2 more, shut the drawer, turn it on, and dry. Then you can go, put your feet up, read a book, or do a project. But the thing is, just like that, the buzzer goes off on the dryer. And it's like, seriously? The dryer's done already? That's because these balls cut your dryer time down so much that you're just always getting the clothes out of the dryer, sure enough. But that makes laundry day really fast. You can get your laundry done in no time. And guess what? You can do what you want to do then. I think I'll go ride the bike. Bye.